Boom Energy, aka Bloom Energy, saw its stock explode after a $5 billion deal to develop AI infrastructure powered by Bloom's FuelCell technology for Brookfield, whereby Bloom will become the preferred on-site power provider for Brookfield's global AI infrastructure. This marks Brookfield's first investment in its AI infrastructure strategy, with plans to deploy Bloom's fuel cells to power AI data centers, which have significant electricity demands. The two companies aim to address the growing energy needs of AI computing, with US AI data centers expected to require over 100 gigawatts of power by 2035. Bloom's fuel cell technology offers reliable, scalable on-site power that bypasses traditional grid limitations, an essential advantage in today's power-constrained environment. Previously, Bloom, which is headquartered in Silicon Valley, already deployed 1.5 gigawatts of power across more than 1,200 installations globally, including in data centers for companies like Equinix, Oracle, and American Electric Power. Brookfield, managing over $550 billion in assets globally, will invest up to $5 billion to deploy Bloom's technology at AI data centers. The collaboration will also include the construction of new AI facilities worldwide, with a European site expected to be announced by the end of the year. Brookfield's global head of AI infrastructure, Sikander Rashid, emphasized that behind-the-meter power solutions are key to bridging the energy gap for AI infrastructure. Similarly, FuelCell Energy saw flashes of green lightning as the Bloom Energy deal shone a bright light on the broader clean energy sector to meet the massive power needs of AI and cloud computing firms. The hydrogen fuel cell provider of continuous power for data centers in the US and South Korea has been trying to address its financial challenges with recent cost-cutting measures, including a 15% reduction in operating expenses and workforce cuts, with the goal of improving profitability. Other bullish energy comes from sector-wide optimism following Plug Power's progress in paving the way for hydrogen power profitability at commercial scale. In the telecom and space sectors, AST SpaceMobile captured attention with its commercial agreement with Verizon to provide space-based cellular broadband service across the U.S. starting in 2026. This partnership, expanding on a previous relationship from May 2024, will allow Verizon customers to access direct-to-device connectivity via AST SpaceMobile's satellite network. The service will use Verizon's 850 MHz spectrum and AST's low Earth orbit satellites, enabling coverage in remote areas that require space-based broadband. AST SpaceMobile's technology connects standard smartphones directly to satellites, eliminating the need for specialized equipment. Successful trials have already demonstrated the capabilities of the service, including voice, video calls, and two-way messaging between smartphones and AST's Bluebird satellite. For example, a voice-over LTE call was successfully made from Texas to New Jersey via satellite. Such connectivity is made possible by AST's satellites, featuring the largest communication arrays ever deployed in low Earth orbit for commercial use. With this agreement, AST will keep filling coverage gaps across the U.S. and setting the stage for broader satellite-based communication services. Not to be outdone, Globalstar is working with Connect.ai to deliver integrated connectivity solutions, combining Globalstar's Band 53 spectrum with Connect.ai's XCOM RAN private network technology. The partnership will enable enterprise customers to access unified connectivity solutions for IoT deployments, private networks, and hybrid architectures via a single management interface. The solution integrates licensed Band 53 spectrum, satellite, public networks, and XCOM RAN technology, providing interference-free connectivity for mission-critical IoT applications. The collaboration expands Globalstar's market reach by integrating its Band 53 spectrum with Connect.ai's device orchestration platform, allowing for efficient deployment and management of private networks and IoT solutions. The solution targets industries requiring scalable, reliable connectivity, such as IoT and enterprise markets. Globalstar's low Earth orbit satellite constellation and terrestrial spectrum services complement Connect.AI's platform, which simplifies connectivity management for private 5G, IoT, edge, and cloud services. These advancements have helped secure government contracts expected to generate $60 million in revenue over the next 5 years. On top of that, global coverage is expanding through ground stations in Estonia and Singapore. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. See you next time.